Welcome everybody. How everybody doing? We got mini stocks right now in the pre-market to be ready. You can hear me all right? Just send a message that everything is good for our live streaming, so we can actually continue with our watch list for today. Perfect. So let's get right to it. We got SIDU top gainer for today, almost 30%. We got rejected around this level. If you remember, we already talked about this stock when we have a breakout from this flag. The price went higher toward the 70, went down to hold above the 43. Then we actually pumped toward the first profit taking. We got XPON is still holding above the breakout that we did yesterday, so we might see a continuation for this stock for today. Pre-market is jumping 1.68, so we might see a continuation for this stock. ST entry, I'm gonna put it on the list. I don't like the plunge down yesterday from the support. Wait a second, guys. Let me just check. Perfect. So let's get right to it. As we said, the XPON is pumping right now. Yesterday we did 12%. The price is still accumulating and have a nice bounce from this ascending channel. We might see a huge pump for today. Watch out. XPON mean business today. Mean business. John, be careful, brother. IBO plus NFT and plus gaming is, I don't like the sound of that. Hi, LJ. Welcome, brother. Welcome. George just bought the dip for APE and BBBY and he want to trade AMC. Let's go, brother. As well, Palantir have a potential resistance as we discussed before. Tesla looking good. Tesla is reversing. 7%. Yesterday we did double top. And today double top. Today is double top. 1.76. You see what's happened? If you remember last time we said Tesla, if it held above the current support, the 180, would be game on for another pump toward the 233. And many of you asked me because you already bought Tesla below the 170 and you want to protect your profit. So this is a good question. So we said you don't have to sell as long as we hold. You don't have to sell. Let the winner go. So a new trader, usually when we see a bit profit, they just take profit and run away, but they don't stay with the winner. So Tesla is a winner right now. And still we're not reversed yet, even though we did 100% in this year. But come on, the 100% came from huge bottom. So there's a potential bullish momentum continuation for Tesla until at least the 233. Yeah, a really good buying back for this dip. You see, we have a huge wick, 2 wicks. Someone bought heavily, 7% yesterday. This is really good, 7%. Nvidia, I'm watching Nvidia as well. Nvidia is about to break the 230. This will give us a parabolic price up for Nvidia as well. We have to watch out Nvidia. We have to watch out AMD, looking pretty nice. We might see the $100 for AMD. Semiconductor sector looking pretty nice. We have shortage. We have many demand for semiconductors. Let's go to Jesus list. SIDU got rejected around the 86. XPON jumping, guys, 5% up pre-market. Pre-market 5%. This one will be a huge gainer. Watch out, everybody. Watch out. Yesterday we did update on our Discord, and we talked about the chart analysis for this stock. As you can look here, if we go to the chart, we talked about XPON breakout zone support $3.20, and the breakout we said the $4 going toward the $4.60, and now $4.38 pre-market. We might have the test for the profit taking before the market open, because we got 20 minutes left. We might see another pump. Let me just check. Another 5%. We might open the market with 10% gain, and we're gonna hit the first profit taken when the market open. Let me just adjust the alert. Looking good. XPON trade looking good. Palantir gravitating down. After testing yesterday, their breakout. VLON looking good. BBBY get rejected again. Oh man. As we said, the $2.12 should be a turning point, but the short seller have a different game. HGEN, I don't like this one. As long as we hold this support, we might see a reversal. Okay, so I'm watching this one and will not let any trade go from us. Like yesterday, if you remember, we traded this stock, already took our profit at it. AMST, we hunted the stock on the way down like this one, and we said we're gonna have a reversal, so we spotted 2 support, and the price reversed from the second support, the 42. Then we got rejected here, as from the video that we did yesterday on YouTube. We're gonna have rejection out of the 66. That's why the price went down and plunged down. So now many of you ask if we're gonna have another pump like yesterday. 81% is tricky right now, because it's kind of bearish right now, because we are below the 48. Just in case, I will put alert. We might have a breakout. And let me just check something out, which is the regular hours. Interesting. Yeah, really interesting. It's dicey. I don't like that chart right now. It's really tricky. Anyway, I just put alert. The other one we might see a trade for. Let me just check your questions. Good morning from Montana. Good morning from Paris, France. The weather is good here. Hopefully everything is good in Montana and the weather is good. This sunny day has been 1 week right now. We have enough sun finally. Locked unloaded. Sun array locked unloaded. SIDU still holding. XPON is pumping 5%. Let us check the pre-market gappers. Okay, this one pretty cheap. The second one looking good. Price around the 47, jumping 99%, and worth of volume pre-market is 12 million. Let me just check this one. RA or RNAZ. Health technology, biotechnology, yeah. Pharmaceutical company. We got some news, that's why the stock is pumping. Okay, the chart looking really bad. Really bad. The chart looking not interesting. The other one, maybe TNON. Not. No. The daily look really bad. SERA. Okay, 38 jumping pre-market. The chart looking really bad for this one as well. The other one is IDU on our list, VLON on our list, of course. What else we got here? FRGT. Let's check this one out. Not good. Yeah, this one got shorted. It was up almost 40%, right now 11%. So yeah, it's bad. AMV jumping, but just no. So we stick to our lists at the moment. We have SIDU, we got XPON jumping 8%. As we said, we're gonna have 10% jump toward the first profit taken. XPON jumping, guys. XPON alert. This one will have a huge pump, 9%, 0.59. This one will pump before the market open. This one will be the top gainer. Let me just go here. Let's check Tesla. Yeah, Tesla 1% and XPON at the moment 8.39. So yeah, looking good. Tesla and XPON looking good. We going toward the first profit taken for XPON. Looking interesting play. This second one is here, and the ultimate one. Yeah, $4.68, $5.32. Let's check how much we can do from here for the second. Another. So 10, 6, 26. Yeah, 26% easily. After that, we might do another 16%. So around the 50%, 35%, yeah, 35%. But now we might see at least 25. Okay, we have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left for the opening bell. We got many questions around the IMPP, one of the energy stock that's been heavily shorted. IMPP is jumping 4% in the pre-market. IMPP is jumping from the bottom 23 cents. So IMPP looking interesting right now is looking interesting play. IMPP, we have kind of support around the 31. Yeah, if we got squeeze, we might have the 85. But now we testing the first profit taken around the 37. IMPP, I will make alert around the 47, because if we got the 47, we might have a squeeze. Right now is 37. 47, 37, just 10 cents or $1 or 10 cents. Let me just check from here to there. Yeah, 25%. Almost 1,000 points. Yeah, 25%. BBY is going down. As we said, we need to hold the $1.80. Never go back below is mean game over. I don't like it. If we go below the $1.80 once again, I don't like it. It's bad. It's bad trade. We could have actually broke this level. You see here, this descending channel. This was the game changer for BBY to enter a bit of bullish momentum here. This area is critical. This area is critical for BBY. I will take it from the list. VLON looking promising. VLON looking promising toward the squeeze area for today. Palantir still. XPON looking interesting. Still pumping. So I'll put XPON first, then maybe VLON at the third, then SIDU the second. So now, yeah, now is kind of clear. Someone shorted SIDU around this level because it's our profit taken that we suggest before beginning of this month. Let's see if we're gonna retake to test this level and have another squeeze later on. Let's see if we have a squeeze there. There's a potential for this one. Welcome, welcome everybody. We got just 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left for our for the opening bell. 5 minutes left. Good morning. Yeah, the Big Apple made a sweep or sweep. Yeah, he's in Wall Street. Great. Made a sweep mean business. He dominate the market. He make a killing. Great to hear. XPON is doing all right. Let's see XPON going for the first profit taken for today. What's the possibility that we have two people trading and watching our live streaming and they live in the same city? Oh man, this is the coincidence. The hunter tribe, hopefully everybody would be like our neighbors. I wish if there's some trader here in France. In Europe, we don't have a trader community like in New York or America, you know? Because here people just like use each money they can get from their salary and they just enjoying their time, you know? They never save or invest. This is the concept here in Europe, because you are taken the system or the government will take care of you, you know, like for the healthcare, for the retirement, everything is take care of it, like the government actually cover it. That's why a lot of people are on ease and never actually thinking about investing and holding, and you know. So this is a different mindset from American to European. Okay. We have someone from Lyon. Lyon. Enchanté, my friend. Enchanté, mon ami. I think you understand what I mean, you know? European are chilled. They never trade, they never think about getting rich, they just relax. They just drink wine and eat baguette and just enjoying their time. Exactly, John. Hard worker. That's what I like in New York. Is like you feel the competition. You know, you want to do better because your neighbor, your friend, actually outperform you. If you sleep, you be like you feel guilty. You know, here in Europe, everybody sleeping, you sleep with them. The baguette is the bread. So this is the most famous thing in France. Everybody knows that. The best bread you ever eat in your life. So that's what I like about France, man. The food is really nice. Okay, guys, we are ready about to open the bell for the market for today. We have almost 100 people watching and just 33 likes. Let's get right to it. Let's make it at least 50 before the opening bell. And as everybody tuning in, we always do 3-hour live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And know that day trading is risky. Do your due diligence. Never follow me blindly. Okay, this is really important. So let's get right to it and start our trading session for today, because the market is about to open right now. We watching XPON because it's 7.91 up. So we have to trigger the first profit taken. Hopefully we don't have a sell-off when the market open. We need to like holding this gap and continue toward the $4.70 for the first profit taken. What's gonna be XPON on the watch list? We might see a profit taken triggered right now because the price actually up 7%. So we'll see XPON retake and going toward the $7.70. SIDU, we might see a test for the 90 for a breakout toward the $1.17. VLON is still stagnating. Palantir, we might see a breakout right now. We might see a breakout around the $9.30. Already put alerts, so we're going back to XPON. Let's see if we hold XPON. Let's see if we could hold. Okay. Everything is selling off right now. Everything is going back a bit. We have a drawback. Let's see if we hold for XPON. Volume is really light, just 200K. We need 1 million. Okay, SIDU looking good. SIDU holding this support. We need a retake for this level. The 19 cent right now is accumulating in between. This one we should hold, the support we should hold. This one we should break, which is the resistance. Let's see who's gonna win, the shorts or the buyers. XPON have a filling for this gap. We need to have a retake right now. We need to hold it here for $1.40. We need to hold it. Will be really good if we held it. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal, a huge reversal. Yes. XPON is pumping. Yes, a huge reversal as we said for $1.40. Perfect. Let's go back here. Okay. So XPON, let me just adjust my profit taking for this one. Yeah, let me just put this, not stop loss, but stop limit here. So, okay. We have first profit taking should be hit right now. 9%. You see, we got rejected right below our profit taken around the $4.65, and the profit taken is $4.68. So this is normal. Okay, let me just adjust this level. Stop loss. No, stop price around the $4.70. Okay, wait a second. Palantir is pumping. Palantir is pumping. Palantir is pumping over the $4. Is good. Let me put this level here. Palantir looking good. Let me just put this. So Palantir looking really good right now. Let me just open a small position. Okay. Let's see Tesla. Tesla is pumping. We're already 6% for Tesla. XPON still holding. Palantir is pumping. Okay. We got BWV. No, it's not good. So already watching those stocks. XPON. We need to have a break for the $4. As we said, here is a support for $1.40. We already saw someone bought really heavily. That's why the price didn't hold. That's why the price actually held. Now we need to break this level to continue toward the $5.30. SIDU not good right now. FLON not good. Palantir is good. Let's see Palantir. We need to hold this current support, the $9, for continuation for the 10. Let me just put around $9.90 just in case, and see if we're gonna go there. Okay, forget about it. This is the support and stop loss, $9. Let's see, going toward the 10. XPON still, volume is light, man. Volume is light on this one. Let's see if we held. We need to hold the $4.40, but we have to be patient. For this one, it will take time. We need to overcome the $4.70 to have another pump. Aha, we're going down. Okay, I don't like this. Now I don't like this. $4.40, we need to hold it. Okay, I don't like it. We broke the $4.40. We broke the $4.40. Let me just put it here. Now I think around the $4.36. Yeah, I don't like it, because we got rejected actually around the first profit taking. So yeah, first profit taking triggered, of course. That's why the price went down. Palantir. Okay, Palantir looking good. Palantir looking good. We need a continuation for Palantir. Palantir toward the $10. VLON is not good. SIDU is not good. So Palantir is the main watch. Palantir is the main watch right now. Palantir is the main watch. Let's see Palantir continuation. Palantir, a price continuation for Palantir. Looking interesting. Palantir looking interesting. For $9.50, $9.50. Palantir. We need the $10 after this break. We need the 10. XPON hit our first profit taken, as we said, for $1.65, just 2 cents. That's why we have to protect our profit. As we said, the $4.40 should be the support. Now we're gonna have the $4 as a bottom. So it's still looking good, but in smaller picture is not good. In the big picture, it's still good because we're still holding the 4. Okay, $4 is good. It's still bottom and not confirm a sell-off. This is normal because we already triggered our first profit taken, the $4.68. That's why always we suggest always take profit on the way. Okay, Palantir is pumping $9.59. We need the $10 at least. We need the $10 because we have a breakout now. We need the $10. We need to see the 10. There's a potential even for $11.50, but the first profit taken, for my opinion, around the 10. Let's see for continuation. The volume is just 2.8. 2.8. This is the volume. $2.50, $2.60. Okay, let's see Palantir. Okay, perfect. So Palantir is still in the game. We need to go at least around the 10 or $9.90 before any rejection. Now there's a bit of rejection. Let me see in the 5 minutes. 5 minutes still looking good. XPON bought back $4.40 right now. We'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, VLON is IDU not looking good. VLON, I'm still waiting for a reaction. How everybody doing? Let's see the stream. AMC is up 5.5. Okay, huge wick for Palantir. Okay, let's see if we're gonna retake Let me just go in the big picture. 5. Okay. As long as we hold the 9, this is good. We might see a retake. VLON, SIDU, no. Palantir still. XPON still. We already got rejected around the first profit taken. Now is the turning point for XPON, for my opinion. If we held the $4.40, we're gonna see a retake for the $4.70 for the $5.30. So right now we're still testing. You see, we have a huge wick from above, a huge wick from below. The market is still testing for XPON. And add to that, we have low volume, guys, low volume for XPON. So this is normal. Palantir $9.39. The height is $9.65. So let me just check how much. Yeah, 2% from here. We need yeah, around the $9.90. Let's see. Huge wick. Price still holding above this breakout zone. Let's see if we still continue to hold above the $9.30. Would be really great. XPON, we have a huge retake. We got AMC. We might have a reversal for AMC. Yes, 4%. As we said it before, the wick, the box is really important to hold for AMC, and that's what happened. The price held inside the box. As we said, this is the turning point for AMC. That's why the price bought back. Now we have a retake for Palantir. The price is still continuing to go higher. Okay, looking good now. Looking good. Palantir looking good. Let's go. Palantir for the 10. Palantir for the 10. XPON for the $4.70 break. Let's see the $4.70 break for XPON. Palantir $9.53. Okay, it's great. $9.54. $9.55. Okay. $9.53. Let's go. We need the $10, guys. We need the $10. $9.56, 57. The new high will be around the 66, 61. We need 66 to break a new high. Okay, XPON doing good as well. Palantir try to break a new high. A new high. Yeah, we need to break the new high around the 66. Let's go. 64, 62. Yeah, 66. Let's go for the break. Let's go for the break here. 64. We need 66. Come on, we don't want to see any rejection right now. No rejection to go toward the 10. No rejection. 66. Let's go. 60. Let's go. 65 at least. 61. 61. 62. Give me 62. 37. 34 seconds for this 1 minute candle to close. Ah, man, crazy rejection here. There's someone selling really heavily here. You see this huge red candle? So someone sold really big around the 65, 64. That's why we have a struggle right now, you see? So now we need to overcome this rejection area in a smaller picture, of course, and this is in 1 minute chart. So there's someone selling, of course, around the 65, 64. Yeah, this areas have to break for Palantir go to new high. At least we might see the $9.90. Of course, the price will go down. Of course. Let's see a break right now. We need to have a break. Okay, 62. We might have a break right now. 63. Come on, give me 65. Yeah, 64, 66. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. No or never. $9.90. We need $9.90 after this break. Yeah, $9.66, 67. Looking interesting. No rejection. No rejection. I'm telling you, no rejection. Go. After this, we need to have a breakout. Continuation. No weakness. No weakness. Let's go. 67, 8. Great. 69, 72. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. 73. Let's go for the $9.90 right now. $9.90. XPON looking good. After this rejection, we might have a break right now for the $4.68. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on? Okay, we need the green. We need the green. Okay, XPON, we might see a huge bump right now. XPON, we might see a huge bump. XPON, we might see a huge bump. Palantir toward the 10, guys. Palantir toward the 10. But we need to be patient. 969. Okay, VLN is start to move. SIDU broke. I don't like it. Right now I don't like it. Take it from the list. VLN looking good. Still holding the gap. And we might see a continuation toward the $1.21. Palantir getting near the 10. XPON, we might see a huge pump over the $4.70. Huge bump for XPON, maybe 15%. Okay, we need a continuation for Palantir. We went until the $9.74. We need the $9.90 before any massive rejection. I'm watching XPON. I'm watching Palantir. Both of them looking interesting play. 65, 70, 66. 67. Sometimes we have really fast play, like they go really quick for the profit taking, and sometimes we have a stagnation, you know. So it depends on the stock. Palantir is not like active stock, is not volatile, like it go really fast to the profit taken. You see a price going down, up and down before we actually hit our profit taken. We got some people said the wish is pumping. TMMMDI pumping. Okay, we got APE is pumping. Interesting. Of course, Harvey XPON is pumping. Palantir is pumping. Palantir, guys, toward the 10. Palantir, we need continuation toward the 10. Aha, XPON is on the move. XPON. So APE is not pumping still. So VLON is kind of pumping. VLON is looking interesting. Okay, VLON looking interesting. VLON is pumping. 44%. For the test for the 99. A test for the 99 for VLON. Let's see the test for the $1. This stock would each day have an action. This stock each day have an action. Yesterday in 80% and the day before 100%. Today is 46%. It's not finished. It's not finished yet. I think the reason of that because we have strong fundamental news regarding this stock. Yeah, we got the notice for the listing from the Nasdaq. Yeah, we might see a reverse split. That's why I try to get over the $1. That's why I try to get over the $1 for this stock. XPON get shorted again. Yes, get shorted again, right around our profit taken. Exactly. Palantir as well got shorted, but still holding the $9.30. Still holding. Let's see if we continue to hold. As we said, the $9 for this time we should hold in order to confirm this breakout. Okay, VLON is pumping toward the $1. 97. This one have action. 98. 99. Okay, we might see a squeeze now. That's gonna be $1. Are we gonna have a continuation? This is really psychological level, the $1. $1. Let's go in a smaller picture. Yeah, $1. Are we gonna hold above the $1 or are we gonna have a sell-off? This is the main question. $1 2. The squeeze is around the $1.21 and the rejection area, of course. Yeah, this one is really crazy. VLON and the move. Jam, why you say you missed short opportunity on Tesla? Let me just check Tesla. Wow, yeah, it was a really great short opportunity. Yeah, around the 214 we have double top. Exactly, really great short opportunity here. Yeah, the price went down almost, let me just check, 3%. But it's still not it's not let me just show you what I mean about Tesla. Tesla is still strong, you see. There's someone buying really heavily above this level, you see. Everybody every time we test this ascending line we have a buying pressure. So the game plan, we need to hold right now above the 192 as a bottom around this level. So this is the bottom for Tesla, and the squeeze is the 214. So we might see this level testing here, then continuation up. So this is not short opportunity. Let 3%, man, 3% is nothing for short. 3% is nothing. So Tesla still looking good for another reversal. We got rejected a bit around the $1. So this one got rejected around the $1. So I'll put another alert. VLON, we have a potential squeeze for this one around the $1. If we broke it once again, we're gonna have the $1.21. How everybody's doing? Are we green or red? The holy water. The holy water, we had to finish it today. Palantir still struggling after this breakout from the $9.30. Still looking bullish. XPON is still bullish. We got two rejection around the breakout zone, and right now resistant area, because as we said, this is a profit taken. We have a struggle to overcome it for XPON. Palantir still holding. VLON got rejected around the 1. Tesla got rejected around the $2.14. We have a bounce around our AMA. Looking really good and strong, Tesla. So we might see a squeeze, guys, because someone buying right now. There's someone buying for Tesla. So I'm not suggesting to short Tesla because it's really strong in the big picture. Wow, I got a great reminder for many stocks. Thank you guys for Emulan. Yeah, Emulan looking interesting, man. Going down toward our ascending line, looking really interesting right now for reversal play. Look at this beautiful chart. We still have a great bounce from this ascending channel. You see, this is the last bottom, actually, for my opinion, to have a reversal from Emulan. Here we should have a reversal to take us until the 47 squeeze. This is it. We don't want to have a break like BBY it did before, you know, when we broke our ascending line, broke the 31, then flush down. I don't want this happen to Emulan, because this is it. This is it. The same scenario that happened for APE as well. Held, then we have a break. For Tesla as well, we held, then we have a break. You see here, we held our ascending line and we have a break. And now we got rejected because we have double top. So this is normal. But it's not like weak. Tesla is not weak, it's still strong. So Emulan, this is it. We need to have a reversal. Palantir still holding and ready to have a try for the $10 profit taken. XPON have another talk. We might see the break for the $4.68 in just matter of few minutes. Just wait for it. Okay. How everybody doing? Plus the like button and the way in. We always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze. Even though today the weather is really amazing. I wish if I could just walk in the sunny day. However, the market is open and we have to do our live streaming. So business is business. So yeah, here is really rare to have really sunny and hot day. Here in Europe, so when we have a sunny day, we have to like use this day, you know, to be under the sun. And everybody knows the sun is really good for your health, for your skin, for you, even your hormones balance, everything, man. So it's good to have sun exposure. And as a trader, many of you just sitting at the computer, you know, and always inside your house or inside your office. So try to use some times to expose to the sun in order to be healthy, and life is about balance, you know. So CLZ, looking interesting, brother, looking interesting. Thank you for bringing this up. Still, I'm not interesting to play this one because Is dicey now because we're still in accumulation phase here. Volume is light. As long as we below the $1, I'm not trading it right now, John. And as long as we hold the support 70 is good. If you want to buy right now, we are near the support, so you could actually exit if we don't hold the 70. This is our stop loss. And the $1 is the profit taken if you enter right now, and squeeze area, and the second profit taken should be around the $1.39, or the first profit taken if you enter above the $1.05. So yeah, looking really good, really interesting this one, but we have to be patient with it. VLON got rejected around the 1, of course. Palantir still holding, SPON still holding. Let us go and check very quick what's going on with the market. What's going on? Who's the top gainer? Every time, brother, every time Tesla is winning the volume gainer game. Every time I see it on the top. We got Tesla, then Palantir, then BBBY, of course. BBBY is around the 2. Oh man, look. Interesting. BBBY test our level, $2.12. Alert, alert, guys. We have kind of breakout. Alert, everybody, BBBY is testing our circle. Look what happened. This is really interesting, man. This is really interesting. Okay, so this is the bottom we did yesterday, and now we have to try to break this descending channel. Oh man, this is really important level. I can't tell you how important it is. The $2.12, man, if we broke it, this would be a really good trade right now. I'm watching BBY for trade, okay? I'm watching BBY for a trade. You know what I'm gonna do? I put BBY, I put my alert around the $2.12, and I'll be ready to hunt. I'm ready to hunt for this one. Let's go back and check if we spot another trade, because the other trade is stagnating. Already put a support alert and resistant alert, so don't worry if the price break for Palantir or the other stock that we were watching, we're gonna go back to those trade. So now let's check this one. Interesting, but not for today. UPST. Interesting as well, but not for today, brother. Not for today. We need to be patient for this. This one, we need to be patient. Man, when you're patient, you be rewarded big time. For the market will give you a huge reward. Anybody is patient, you get huge reward, and anybody hasty and pushing the market and pushing the trade, you get punished. Simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, looking interesting. UPST trade. This one is swing trade and safe trade. Okay, we might have this one later in this month, so we might have a good profit. Let me just check how much we can do. 30%, not bad, not bad, not bad. So let me just put it on the growth stock list, UPST upstart, and go back to our list and see if we could spot another trade. SoFi, of course, looking interesting. Bounce from our support, brother. Bounce from our support. Perfect. SoFi looking interesting. SoFi looking interesting. Let me just put it here. SoFi. Google is getting weak this year. Got rejected around the 107. What else? Amazon, not good. This one, not really bad. Oh man, APE doing really great. Oh, we got a winner. We got a winner. APE. We got a winner. We're gonna do update actually for the blue chip company that have potential to squeeze. We might do a special video on our Patreon and Discord, so stay tuned for that. We gonna do update for APE and B because we see a really good indication for strength after the good earnings. Wow, earnings 87%. I think yesterday after hours. So, oh man, this one I have to do update, urgent update for it, man. I see really good levels for SoFi and A, B and B. Both of them looking really interesting and safe trade is not really risky. Low risk, yeah, low risk. Yeah. So let me just go back and check another trade. Maybe we're gonna have something else. Neo Ford. Ford is tricky. RBLX, not good. Not good. Okay, let's go to the biggest gainer list and see if we could actually check if we gonna have a trade in the power hour. Oh man, this looking really good. Bomb, bomb, and this. Okay, let me just check. Okay, this one might be in the power hour. We already did 44, or tomorrow, because today we did almost 100%. Maybe the volume is light. We're gonna hunt this one in power hour or tomorrow pre-market. Watch out for this one. We might do a pre-market update for this one because already jumped 100%. This one looking interesting as well for, yeah. Let me just put this there. Looking interesting. This one is kind of interesting, but it's risky. NRDS. NRDS is risky, but we're gonna add it anyway to our Jesus list. NRDS. Check it later. Alligator. BBBY getting rejected. No reaction, still holding. Perfect. CLZ volume is really light, is not good for today. I'm gonna take it from the list. Tesla, maybe. VLON, yeah, I got rejected. I don't like it now. Let me just put alert here for a sell-off. The $1 is the confirmation for resistance right now. Let me just put this, take this off. I put that here. Yeah, we got a huge selling pressure happened around the $1. Huge. Yeah. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 20%. Okay, interesting. At the time being, let me just check. Yeah, the 60 should be the last support if we don't want to have a sell-off for VLON. Palantir still struggling. XPON still struggling. This one is strong. And RDS. Okay, Sunray, we got question about some stock is really running away. Let me just check. SI, Silvergate Capital, 15%. Let me just go in a big picture. Yeah, it's kind of dicey, guys. It's kind of dicey, this one. Interesting, but is risky. Volume is good. Volume is good for this one. However, let me just go. Yeah, maybe we have something. Maybe we got something. Maybe we got something for this one. Yeah, 1717. Someone bought. We got rejection about to happen right now around this area, the 2388. So yeah, there's something interesting. There's something interesting for this one. 2388 for a breakout, and support 1717. Interesting. This one really looking interesting. Volume is not bad. Now 16%. We might see a continuation for this one. How much from the squeeze area here? Another 17%. If we have a squeeze, we might see a huge pump for this one. Yeah, we might see a huge pump. Huge. Yeah, we might see a really huge one. Let me just check. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go in smaller picture. High risk, high reward, guys. Oh man, stop loss almost 15%, 18%. So if we go in the first profit taking, would be good because we're gonna gain 40%, but the potential loss will be 15%. So you see, those kind of trade, you have to be willing to lose at least 10%, 15%, but to gain 50%, 100% and more. So always high risk, high reward. Don't forget the risk. This is really important before you enter, because if you enter the trade, trust me, man, trust me. I did it, you did it, everybody did it. If you don't calculate the risk, you're gonna calculate the profit, of course. But if you don't calculate the risk before you enter, when you entered and the price go down on you, you just hold it. You just close your account, you don't watch it. And you never actually check the P&L because it's kind of hurt, you know, it hurt here, man. I see, I understand. So please make it easy for yourself, calculate the risk before you enter and see if you're willing to take this risk. If you can't, you just lower your the amount of position you put, you know. Let's say, for example, you have just 100K to trade, take the 1% rule, you know. So trade 1% from the portfolio. And trust me, you'll never be like worried about 10% or 15% from 1% of portfolio. But if you put 50% of portfolio, come on, even 5% it hurts, you know. So always think about the 1% rule and take risk. Life is about taking risk, but calculated risk. Okay, SI looking good. SI is pumping. SI is pumping. Okay. XPON going down. Still. Palantir. Let's go. Palantir, we need the 10. XPON. Okay, as we said, XPON, we need to break the $4.68. Otherwise, it's not looking good. The short is still winning because this is profit taken. This is the profit taken, as we said here. Just watch, as we said here. XPON, we said the $4.60, 62. Let me just check here. 60. Yeah. So XPON, we said the $4.62 is our profit taken for XPON. Yesterday we did this chart analysis. Yeah, after our live streaming. As we said, each time after our live streaming, if we have a breakout, we're gonna do chart update analysis. in order to take profit and enter really quick, like BWV. When we enter another breakout and we took profit below the $2 because the price after that got rejected and went really below. So we always be ready to hunt. And you see here, XPON, after our profit taken, this $4.62, we got rejected and the price going down. So we went until the $4.65, yeah, around this area. And then the price went down. So here, exactly, yeah, $4.65. Let me just put it there. So yeah, we're ready, suggest to take profit around the $4.62. Price went until the $4.65 and get rejected. But the big picture is still looking good as long as we hold above the $4. Palantir, we're still waiting for the 10. Still looking good as long as we hold the $9.30 at least, would be really good. Really good if we hold the $4.30. So yeah, XPON, Palantir, VLON looking still holding. Tesla still holding, BBY still holding, SI still holding. Great meta sweep. When you buy any stock, don't enter with your all position. Never enter all at once. Great advice, my brother. Great advice. But I'm not agreeing with you with always dollar cost averaging. I don't agree with you, man. I don't agree with you. So, at least for the heavy volatile stock. Because if you dollar cost averaging for AMC or BBIG or the other stock like Meta Material, they went crazy down. Whatever you average for those stocks, you're gonna lose money. Even if you have the fault for the like, if you could actually print money and buy and dollar cost average, you're gonna lose money on those stocks, man. Be realistic. So please don't just always dollar cost averaging on each stock. You can do this strategy for blue chip company. Let's say for Apple or like even Tesla, you can dollar cost average because we have at least they never get is not heavily risky or heavily shorted like the other stocks that can actually go in one day 50%, or get bankrupt in just the next day. Just be careful. Even though meta sweep, even though some stock in just one day can jump down even 50%. You saw what happened for BBBY and the other stock, man. After hours, boom, the price went 60%. 60%. You can average down on 60%, man. So just be careful with those kind of stock. I will never average down, man. Even if I have free money from the central bank and you give me free money, I will never average it down. I learned my mistake. I did this before and I almost wipe up my portfolio, man. So it's not good to suggest anybody to average down. It's not a good idea. The good idea to buy around the reversal area where the market maker will buy, the reversal hotspot, not just averaging down. I get your idea, brother. I get your idea. Okay, we got a really good question from Friedman about Mara. Why we add this here? NRDS. Yeah, looking good, yeah. This one looking good. Okay, Palantir, we're still waiting for the $10. $10. Where's the $10? Let's see Mara, because we got interesting thing going on for Mara. Marathon Digital Holding. 8% up. 8% up for Mara. Looking interesting play now. We bought back from the bottom, $5.23, and now it's kind of tricky because the breakout zone is around the $9.45. We are a bit far. We are a bit far from this level. I don't like to buy in the middle, you know, between the support and the resistance. The holy water is almost finished. This is what keep me going in our live streaming. If I don't have holy water, man, I can't trade. I can't do anything. I will be like frozen like this. This will give me the focus and the hyper focus to spot the levels and know the entry point and see the insiders, where they sell and where to buy. So yeah, hot water, holy water is really important for any trader to spot the short sellers. I wish if it was be that simple, you know. You drink holy water and you can spot each like hot spot for short sellers and buyers, you know. This would be really interesting. Or a good power to have. Imagine. I always imagine those kind of impossible things, because this is the only way that a human being have than animals, you know. That's the only thing that we have, that we could actually imagine things that is not possible. It's just impossible inside our head. Some of you ask like, okay, you are right now either you're crazy or I don't know the word for it. If someone imagine things or impossible things. Anyway, you got my idea. But this is the only way that make my life interesting, you know. I get bored a lot because normally the normal routine and doing the stuff that you have to do in order to survive, like eating, drinking, and things like this, or working. But if you don't have just few minutes or at least few seconds to imagine stuff like this, like flying, going to other planets, or drinking water and have superpower, for my opinion, my life would be really boring, you know, because everything is boring to me unless I add some spice, add imagination, you know. What if? This word, what if? This is, I like this word. What if something happened, you know? What if I could do something? Even I can't do it, I say what if. The idea of imagining something like this give me excitement to just wake up in the morning. I don't know what's your thing, but this is my thing, you know? The curiosity thing, you know? Like the what if, or doing something I never did before, trying new stuff. This is the only thing that make me like excited about the new day or tomorrow. And that's why I like trading, because each day is different. Each day is different. Each day we hunt for different stock, and stock never react as we expect it to react. Some people get angry, but for me, I get excited. You see, I switch from anger to excitement because they are the same psychological or like a biological thing, because we have the heart rate and we have the sweating and like uncomfortable feeling. The same reaction when you get angry is the same as, or nervous, is the same reaction or biological effect that you can have as being curious or excited. So I always say I'm excited, okay? If I lose even money, it's like, today I'm excited to not losing money tomorrow. XPON is still holding. Palantir toward the 10. Palantir toward the 10, as we said, first profit taken. We might see it right now. We might see it right now for Palantir. Already it triggered our trade around this breakout, the $9.30. The profit taken is around the 10. Patience, man. This one kind of going up and down, up and down. Right now we might have a breakout finally around this $9.70. We need to break this level. $9.67. We need to break the $9.70 for a new high for today. $9.71. Yeah, we need to break this level in order to have a break to the 10. What's gonna be? We're gonna have a break right now. Would be really interesting. Okay, VLON, Tesla, BBBY. So let us watch Palantir because it's about to break. Palantir is about to break. The $9.70. The $9.70. Welcome, Nasir. Nasir, welcome. You're a bit late, brother. You're a bit late. But being late is better than never actually attended our live streaming. So I understand some of you are actually working. Some of you have something to do. So it's good to just attend even if at the end our live streaming. Welcome, brother. Oscar, BBBY, not yet. Exactly. Not yet. We're still holding. Still struggling. Let me check. TMDI. Man. Oh, okay. Palantir is going. Palantir tried to pump for new high toward the $9.75. We got the 73. TMDI 96 or 97% up. I don't like the daily chart. It's really bad. Yeah. I don't like the daily chart. It's really bad. It's got sold off around the 7th of February. And now we have a huge bump, but I don't like the chart. It's risky, man. This one is really risky. It's really risky. There's a huge short opened last 2 weeks, I think. Yeah. So we watch for the break for the 38. Now is risky. Okay, Palantir for the first profit taken. Palantir for the first profit taken. Toward the $10. Let's go. Okay, 76. Let's go. Let's see the 80. 76. Let's see the 80. Okay, we got question regarding AI. It's been a while. Last time we checked AI, I think I already did alert for it. AI looking good, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, we got shorted. We didn't go until the 19. We bought back around the 20 instead. So yeah, looking good now after the sell-off that happened or triggered around this channel. So we might have, let me just put this there. Yeah, as we said before, yeah, looking good. But I will be extremely careful about this level. We might see a rejection here. If we got rejected, we might see a continuation down 25 and going this time around the 19. So yeah, I will watch for the 25 would be an important level to break. Thank you for bringing this up. AI 25, Palantir 10. Palantir is the 10. We held perfectly above the $9.30. See what's happened here? A huge wick and we bought back perfect around our level. So the $9.30 held. And as we said, the support for today should be the 9, but we held above the $9.30. So it was even better. The $9.30 was the support. Now we need to have another pump toward the 10. This is it. We need to have the test for the 10. Psychological level. The $10 should be tested right now before we end our live streaming. And of course, XPON triggered our profit taking around the $4.62. Yeah, that we did yesterday, $4.62. And we said the breakout is here around the 4 from the chart analysis that we did on Discord. Then the price went down. So we're not ready. We're not ready to continue to go higher. A lot of people triggered profit taking. At the moment, we need to hold the 4 to continue to go higher to break the $4.64. We're gonna do update for this one as well, okay? If we broke the $4.65. For Palantir as well, if we broke the 10, we're gonna do update, chart update on our Discord and Patreon after our live streaming. Because always this happen after our live streaming. Those kind of trigger area always happen after we finish our live streaming. Like what happened for VLON, okay? We did chart analysis after the market closed or our live streaming finished. So stay tuned for those two updates. Okay, we have the one for this Tesla, BBBY, AI. Let's go for Palantir. Yeah, Palantir toward the $1. A new high for today. AMC is going up right now. Okay, we got Palantir toward the $9.77 going toward the $10. Okay, $9.79, $9.80, perfect. We need the 10 or at least $9.90. Let's check. Yeah, $9.80. Yeah, average price around the $9.44. Let's check what's gonna happen. We need at least the $9.90. 67, 68. We got HPCO. Let's check HPCO because it's HPCO because it was the top gainer before. We might see a continuation for this. Not now, not now, not now, but there's a potential. There is a potential here and there. So we watch for a potential break. Yes, okay, so looking good. This one looking good. So yeah, I will put it on the list because we might see a power hour gain for this one. AI as well looking good. AI looking interesting. Yeah, looking really interesting. Okay. NRDS, I don't like it. It's really risky. It's kind of risky, but look, high risk, high reward for this one. Yeah, it's going down heavily. I would keep it down. Let's check AMC because many of you said it's pumping right now. No, 5% still. 5%. If you remember, we already talked about AMC before when the price was around this area, the 7, and we said we're gonna fill the gap or this box. So we fill it, so we have to take it off. And we went until the $4.39 and the price reversed. So we have to build a plan right now. We have to build a plan for AMC. AMC will have a test around the 5. This is a really important level to break. $5, man, $5. Okay, not good, not interesting. Okay, MC looking good. Palantir toward the 10, still struggling. Thank you, Ray. Thank you. Appreciate it, brother. We got many comments. A lot of people talk about stock are pumping. When I check them, I see just they are 5% up. We have to define what's the mean of pump. You know, the pump at least would be 50%, 40. You know, not 5%. But I can understand. I can understand when you see a stock has been gravitating down for months and weeks, and when you see it up 5%, you'd be happy, you know. So this is kind of psychology one-on-one for many trader when they see one stock is trending down, then it change. It's kind of give the hype that's is pumping. Okay, Palantir is trying. Let's check the question on our Discord here. Okay, Jam. Okay. Everybody talk about BBY right now. We said it here. BBY is still holding, but I don't like the rejection here. Jam, I don't like the rejection. So let's see the question. Too early. BBY didn't hold at $2 and rejected around the $2.12. Yeah. It's kind of too early. It's too early. We have a good reaction for BBY when it held the $1.78, but there's always a but. The $2.12, as we said before, is the most important level to break and hold. And guess what? We have a wick. Let me just go in a smaller picture. 5 minutes. Let's go in a smaller picture. 1 minute. Imagine just 1 minute test this level and went down. Just 1 minute. It means in 1 minute the short just dive and put position and let the price go down in 1 minute. Just put this in your head. Just 1 minute the price actually gave up from the bullish momentum. You see here, this bullish momentum got turned off just in 1 minute. Just imagine if you have a fire and the fire will be put off in just 1 minute. Big fire, and it's got put down by just 1 minute. What does it mean? It means the water or the firefighters have a huge gun of water. It's like poof, 1 minute is like the fire is gone. It means the short seller outweighed the buyers in just 1 minute. This is crazy. If it was 5 minutes, we'll see maybe there's a fighting chance, but 1 minute, man, and we got rejected. This is risky. This is really too early. Like, this word is really good. Jim just used is too early to confirm a reversal right now. Yeah, it's too early. Okay, good charting, Jim, good charting. Okay, we have I think this descending channel was yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. Okay, still struggling, Palantir. Plus the like button, guys, on the way in. We always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Discuss a lot of stocks that have potential to squeeze. Like for today, we got XPON jumped, but we got rejected around the first profit taken. We talked about Palantir, and It was a good trade because we enter around this breakout zone, the $9.30. The price is still like have like struggle to go toward the first profit taken, but it's looking good because we held above the $9.30. VLON got rejected around the one, as we said. The price getting like shorted, but it's still holding this gap. As long as we hold the 60 cent, we might see a squeeze. So watch out for the 60 cents. This is it. Tesla looking good. Have a bounce from this AMA. But in big picture, we're still in the ascending channel. BBY got rejected around the $2.12. Interesting. AI looking interesting play because we have just one level for squeeze around the 25. Imagine this price is just by luck. I didn't actually rounded the number around the 25, but I just see the hot spot here. There's a potential squeeze. HPCO, not right now. Maybe in power hour we're gonna get a huge pump over this level. Let me just check. Yeah, oh man, this one looking interesting play. NRDS and AMC looking good. We have a support around the $4.39. Let's check the stock out. We got BZFD. A lot of people ask about it. BZFD. Let's see what's going on. 20% up. 10 million worth of volume. Price pumped over this. Interesting. On $53, and we got some resistance around the $2.11. Okay, so this one looking interesting, guys. Looking interesting play. This one look interesting. And let me just lower this breakout around the $2.14. Okay, BZFD looking interesting trade. There's someone buying this one. We have two candles, 1 hour candle, huge volume on those two candles. The first one 35k, the second one is almost $250,000. Interesting. So someone bought really heavily here. We're gonna have a huge squeeze after we break this level exactly. I will put alert. I will be ready to hunt. This is it. Okay, now the volume is dropping, guys. The volume is dropping. The market maker is drawing their money back. The volume is dropping a bit. I will be extremely careful now. Palantir, are we gonna have the $10 before we finish our live streaming or not? This is the $1 million dollar question for today. Palantir, $10 before we finish our live streaming. $9.80. We just missing 20 cents. 20 cents. 54 worth of volume. $9.81. It's still pumping. Looking good, looking good, looking good. $9.83. $9.84. Great. Let's go toward the $10. We're gonna have the $10. All right. We're gonna have the $10. We need to be patient. The volume is dropping. This is normal. You see it clearly. We have AI is about to squeeze as well. We have many good trade. So let me just put it a list for the trade that is about to break. We got AI, we got XPON, we got Palantir. Okay, XPON, Palantir. We got this one. Tesla, no. BBBY, no. HPCO, not now. Okay, BZFD looking interesting as well. So we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks, or even 6 in power hour. We might have a trade for them. Watch out. Watch out. There's something about to happen. TTD. How we missed this one? Because it's really expensive, brother. It's not looking good. Even the chart doesn't look good. It's chubby. I don't like it. I just look it in 1 second and just delete it. Let me just check. NVOS. As well, this one, I don't like it. It's pretty volatile. I will delete even the alert for it. You know what trading and picking stock taught me? It taught me something really important, which is choices, like picking few stocks for many stocks each day. So this has helped me in buying a new car, a house, choosing the right people to network with or work with or even live with. So it's make me easier to define and see what I like and just scan between random from huge random data and just pick the things that fit my ideal, you know. So yeah, the trading taught me this really good skill that is really important at the moment right now with our universe filled with information and distraction. It's really hard to for many people to decide what they want or what they have to choose. I even saw this really funny and sad thing when I was just walking in the city center, and I saw people just standing in front of the restaurant and trying to pick some like try to choose what they should eat. This is really madness because they waste a lot of time just by choosing what they should eat. You know what I'm doing if I'm going outside eating, which I never do because I prefer cooking my own meal. So if I did, I just go and ask randomly, anybody who actually in the city center or some, if I choose another country, I will ask the people who live there and ask them what's the tradition food over there and just choose it. BZFD, 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 BZFD. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. So yeah, as we said, choices, man. Choices, choices, choices. Choices, choices, choices. The faster you choose and delete the things that you don't want, the happier and fulfilled you be. Simple but hard. Simple but hard to do. I'm just scanning and scanning. Aha, AI have potential. Palantir, $9.89, finally. Yeah, we might see the 10. Yeah, $9.90, perfect. Yeah, so the average price right now for this one, it was around the $9.44. As we said, we're waiting for the $10 for profit taken, first profit taken. Okay, let's see. $9.89 now, $9.90. Let's see the $9.91, 92. Okay, the $10. We're gonna hit the $10 right now. $10. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go before we finish our live streaming. Man, this is the best skill you ever have, is learning how to cook. You save a lot of money, you save a lot of time choosing what you should eat, and at the same time you save your body, man. This is the most important. What you put inside, this is the most important investment in your life, is your body. So whatever you put inside, it should be perfect and clean. And the best way to confirm that is cooking your own food. I don't trust restaurants. Sorry if you own a restaurant. I don't trust restaurant. I don't trust to go anywhere. Sometimes there's a good restaurant, but it's really hard to find, you know. $9.98. Yes, going toward the 10. Okay, first profit taken, almost triggered. Palantir looking great. We entered here when the market opened around the $9.30. Price went down. We said it's good because the price is still holding the support. Now we broken and going toward the first profit taken before we finish our live streaming. Great. This is the first time actually before profit taken hit after we finish our live streaming. But Palantir looking great. After we break the $10, we're gonna do chart update analysis on our Discord. Here on the chart section or chart channel on our Discord, and of course on our Patreon, to do a chart update for Palantir because it's about to break. Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. AI is about to break. AI is about to squeeze. Watch out, everybody. Watch out, everybody. AI on the move. So we watching AI, we watching Palantir. We watching XPON. Oh man, XPON is about to squeeze. XPON. We might see a break right now for the $4.65 finally. Okay. Palantir went until the $9.98. Are we gonna have a retake for the $10, or this is it? I will watch closely, because if we don't overcome the $10 right now, is mean now we're gonna get rejected and we should take our profit. We'll see. We're still holding. We're gonna retake this level. It means we're gonna see a test for the $10. Great. Okay, XPON is about to break. $4.65 is about to break. Okay, Palantir is going toward the first profit taken, and right now we're gonna hit it. Right now, if we hit the $10, we're gonna finish our live streaming. If we hit the $10 right now, we're gonna finish our live streaming. We're gonna close our live streaming. Let's see. $9.96. $9.96. I think short sellers are watching our live streaming. If they want to finish our live streaming, they will let this price hit the $10. $9.97. $9.96. What's gonna be? $9.98. Just 3 cents. 3 cents, man, 3 cents. Let's go. $9.96. $97. Come on, 99. Where's the 99 and 98? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 98, 99. Let's go. 99 and 10. Come on, I need to see the 10. Come on, I need to see the 10. Jesus said 10. Let's drink my holy water to make the price go to 10. Come on, 10. Jesus drank his water, of course. Yes, the 10, we hit the 10. Of course. We hit the 10. Jesus drank his holy water, and we hit the 10 for Palantir for the first profit taken. Great. Okay, guys, we're gonna update Palantir, and we're gonna do short update after we clear this level and hold above it for the second profit taken. XPON, there's a potential squeeze right now after we finish our live streaming. AI is about AI tested our level of resistance 25. You see, we got rejected. We might see a squeeze, so we're gonna do short update for it as well. So stay tuned for those updates. We're gonna do a video, of course, at 8 p.m. CET. Stay tuned for this update on our YouTube channel. And tomorrow, pre-market update and watch list, Jesus watch list, like what we did for today. Before the market open, to prepare for the entry and exit for many stocks before our live streaming as usual tomorrow around 3 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, before we actually finish, let me just leave my email, trading.jesus, just in case. That will make it easier for you to contact me. Contact gmail.com. If you have any question regarding Discord and Patreon and how to join and how to actually have Zoom meeting with me to discuss your portfolio, everything. Because this is the only way to contact me, not in a comment section like Telegram. There's a lot of spammers. That's why the only way to contact me by this business email. Please stay safe and don't reply to any scammers on the comment sections. Okay, we can't do anything about them. This like bot, they coming in. You delete, they coming in. They have another account, so we can't do anything. I asked YouTube, they never did anything. So the only way is to educate our community here and know those spammers. And it's really clear. Those spammers they don't have the highlighted name. You see, my name is Trading Jesus highlighted in blue. But in the comment section on the other videos, you see the highlighted in white, not in blue. This is me. This is me. This is the real account of Trading Jesus. The other one is there's no highlight around the name of Trading Jesus. Okay, so be careful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.